السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Amanya Umar Sulaiman kasuli ngabli jo kutusako ilimu ekwatagana kubusika so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tongera okutegeera n'okumanya tuwakinga batukolera wansi w'ekibiina ekitongole ekimanyikiddwa oba ekibiina ekimanyikiddwa nga Jamaiyat Istisharat al-Islamiyya al-Mirath bi Uganda, GT Association for Islamic Inheritance Consultation in Uganda. Ekibiina kyavayo kubanga kikulambulira kiyitibwa obusika n'okwongera okutegeeza buli kyonna ekifa ku busika osobola okwongera okutegeera n'okumanya byonna bisaanye okubanga bikolwa, omuli okutemeratemera, omuli okukumanyisa ebiraamo, okubikufunira n'okulaga n'okubituukiriza omuntu by'aba alambye n'ebirala bingi. Oyagadde okuba nti bakutuusako services yita ku 0703337998 oba oyinza okuyita ku 07735186 then 60 ojja kubanga oba ofuna ebintu ebyo. So omusomo omukulu olwegwe tuliko gweguyita sharhu ba'd al-kalimat fi ilmi al-fara'id, okunnyonnyola ebimu ku bigambo ebikozesebwa mu ilimu eya fara'id. Ebigambo bino omuntu bw'aba bitegedde kiba kyangu nnyo kubanga atategeera ilmu al-fara'id kikyekwatako. Out together. So omusomo gwaleero gwali specific guli gutambulira ku ad-duyun al-muta'allaq bi'ayni tarika, ebintu ebikwatagana ku bintu omuntu byalese, ebintu byolese, ebyobugagga byonna byolese, biki ebitali bibyo bye tuyinza okumayiyaza ne tubijjamu nga si bibyo kyekyo tugambe kigenda okukwata. So as usual we do come in touch, we come across each other by the way that we can teach ourselves about the inheritance or Islamic or lawful inheritance in Uganda and the world, perhaps as Islam is concerned altogether. So we mainly explain some of the terms that are used in inheritance so that you can understand and go deep into that knowledge. So the main topic of today, that is the subtopic of today, is ad-duyun al-muta'allaq bi-tarika. We want to know if the people, the scholars or the people of Islam or the Sharia, when it talks about ad-duyun al-muta'allaq bi-tarika, what do they mean? Babira bategeeza ki? What do they mean? So that's what we want to learn today. Ekitwagala okubanga tusoma olwaleero. Ad-duyun al-muta'allaq bi-tarika. First of all, we know ad-duyun means, we said the other time that they call it debts. Ad-duyun, they are known as debts. Then al-muta'allaq bi-tarika. At-tarika means wealth. Wealth. The one, whoever the deceased lives. Al-muta'allaq, which are on. Altogether we can say al-on, which are on. On, the debts on the wealth. Altogether, yes. So ebintu ebikwatagana oba amabanja agakwatagana ku bintu omuntu by'aba alese. Abafa amabanja ago tugakirianga tutya? How do we clear? Because you have left wealth. But among the wealth, there are some things which are not yours. Would you really go on and fragment or distribute the property when this is the property in prices over dissolves, over comprises of wealth which is not his? No, it's not regarded into Islam, not good and not recommended. So tekikirizibwa mu Busiraamu ekintu ekyo tekikolebwa okubanga tugaba ebyobugagga by'omuntu nga mulimu ebintu ebitali bibye. But what we should do, kiki tulina okukola kwe kubeera nga we numayiz atamiz baina tarikat al-mayyit wa huquqi ghayrihi. We always separate, as the scholars emphasize that altogether, we separate the wealth is deceased, the wealth of the deceased, altogether deceased wealth, then from the wealth of the rest of other people. We don't fragment the wealth when it comprises of other people's rights. That is it. So for today we shall look at al-duyun al-muta'allaq bi-tarika bi'ayni tarika. Ayni tarika means a property itself. Property on the property itself. Because I remember one of our previous lessons we learned about ad-duyun al-mursala bi dhimmatil mayyit, personal, which are personal. But these ones, we are talking the properties officially. So they say, how do they term? The ulama says, hiya tashmulu ad-duyun al-mawthuqati bi'ayni marhunatin min mal al-mayyit. Hiya tashmulu bid-duyun al-marhuna, tashmulu bid-duyun, وهذا تشمل بالديون بعين they say هي تشمل When they say الديون المتعلقة بتركة, they say بعين تركة, they say هي تشمل الديون الموثوقة. الديون تشمل الديون الموثوقة. تشمل الديون الموثوقة. It comprises of the already known, altogether, the known debts, ديون الموثوقة, the known debts altogether, بعين مرهونة, بعين مرهونة on the property which is big or which has a loan in it altogether, or any property which you don't complete its payments altogether. These are the payments of any of your property altogether which are uncompleted. Yeah. تشمل الديون المرهونة بعين التركة, بعينه موثوقة بعينه. Yes, مرهونة. So this comprises of the property, the uncompleted payments of any property. These are uncompleted من مال الميت, من مال الميت concerned من مال الميت, من مال الميت. هي تشمل الديون الموثوقة بعين مرهونة من مال الميت. This comprises, we say that this comprises of uncompleted or incomplete payments. We say incomplete payments of any property, of any property altogether of the deceased. Yeah, this is what it means. When we talk about ad-duyun al-muta'allaq bi'ayni tarika, we mean the property of the deceased itself. The cars, the pieces of land, the companies, the everything, a cloth, shoes, a house, the carpets, cupboards, sofas, beds, and many other things altogether, which are incomplete. Incomplete payments, which you bought and you left in a payment that you did pay altogether. So we extract that payment from your wealth, and then we pay back. We settle those debts which you left behind and cleared. Tukwata mu mali yo ne tujja mu bino altogether, ne tukwata sente ezo ne tuziwa bannannyini bintu ebyo, ne tusigaza property wetwataka lugisigaza. That is in terms when you have the money to clear. But if you don't have money, we can easily call the owner of the property to give us the payments, the first payments you gave him. Altogether, we could settle them by making a barter trade. Altogether, barter trade or any way of that we can settle it altogether. But by what? By negotiation. Nga tumaze okubeera nga twogerezeganya n'abantu abo ge mabanja gano gwoboolese nga gakwata ku byobugagga byo byotamalayo mu kusasulwa kwabyo. Abantu mubba abantu bakuulyako emmotoka mu bondi ye n'omala ebbanga tolesasudde. Abantu mugula ku bantu amataka ne mubula. Abantu byonna bye mugula ne mubula ku bantu amasimu olw'okuba nga akikuwadde n'ogamba tojja kudda nti biwedde. Wallahi thumma wallahi, I'm telling you this, you will never ever succeed. Because all these shall be extracted out of your what? Out of your wealth. Before even you are big, according to Imam Malik, altogether, he emphasized that before even you bury you, we should clear this. But however, if we find something to clear, we could continue altogether. We could continue. We could what? we could continue with others and without following the arrangement of the order. Altogether, so cheche tugamba abantu mutekeddwa okubanga musasula amabanja ago muleme kulyaza amanya abantu ebintu bimba muguze ne mutabisasula ne mutabikirya nga mutekeddwa okuzzayo amabanja g'abantu wadde omuntu aba afudde ebintu byagula nga tabikiryalize receipts mweziri temumala geyagalya bintu by'abantu ne mubabonyabonya abasika mubonyabonya abafuba mmwe nammwe abalinganda mbomonyabonya kukuva mmwe olubwo mwagala okuteeka ku mimwe maali zaabwe wallahi bijja batuukako nammwe nga mufudde. That is it. Wathamanu al-mabi' or something you bought and you never paid. Altogether, or unpaid commodity, or unpaid commodity. Say it's commodity stock property. Ekintu omuntu yajjayo n'atakisasula oba ku dduuka, bino tugenda kuba amaduuka shops, olina ekintu kye wajja ku dduuka n'otakisasula, unpaid commodities or duuka payments. Altogether, so people have to pay this. Abantu mulina okubanga mubisasula. Altogether, lam yastalimuhu al-ba'i'u hatta mata al-mushtari. Omuntu, when the owner of the property didn't receive the payments until the buyer died. Altogether, until the buyer died. So these ones we must repay them back. Tino kubisasula. These are the ones we termed as the ad-duyun al-muta'allaqu bi'ayn al-tarika. So these are the debts that are to be settled, which are on the property of the deceased, which has to be cleared before we even distribute. So for this, we shall end here and we call it a day. Wassalamu ala al-mursalina walhamdulillahi rabbil alamina. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.